Peters here, so we're gonna clean up these welds a little bit. Yeah, obviously we're gonna fix welding. Again, this is with that, actually I don't know if I showed it yet, but the brand new welding that I just cleaned up. Guys back on. What's the first one? Hello YouTube. So I just had a complete failure of my grinding wheel, and I just had this thing just fly. It just, yeah. Sometimes it's not worth it to get Harbor Freight grinders. So just a little tip from something that happened. Alright YouTube, now I don't know about you guys, but I don't think that's too bad. I wanted to weld the entire inside of the pan together just to make it super strong, since we're going to be putting one of these guys on it. Just wait. Oh, this is just the beginning for the crazy go-kart builds. So throughout this week I'm hoping I'm able to get some footage of me sanding down the whole go-kart. We gotta finish getting that one sticker off, and at this point we just need something big enough to get these two back wheels off. I don't have one that's big enough. It's gotta be bigger than a 32 millimeter, I believe. It's pretty big. But anyway, yep, so the entire inside of the pan is welded up. We already spot welded all the little holes, any little holes that were in it. And so, like I said, the next step, we're going to take out these steering links. I might see if I can possibly, with them out, bang it so that basically so it doesn't hit the tire. What I'm going with. I think that was the big problem with this, was it always hit the tire. I think it still hits the tire. As a matter of fact, yeah, no matter what, it would always hit the tire. So I was gonna see if I can do something with that. Really don't want that digging in and destroying it. So when I remove that, I'm gonna, let me think how this is gonna work. Yeah, we'll just probably, we probably even could just cut it and re-weld it at an angle, but I don't want to have a broken weld at the end of the day. So I'll probably just put it on the vise and just hit it out. So I'll put this side. I'll find a way to do it. You guys will be in the video anyway, so. But yeah, she's coming along. Almost there. So once this is done, we're gonna go hard on that. I don't want to show it. I don't want to show it because go-kart first. Lots of footage. We got projects out here you guys haven't even seen yet. There are gonna be some good videos coming out, so stay tuned. This is signing out.